Bianca's office chair has shown up, and she is going to stab herself, apparently.
This is not safe.
But no, she's not going to do anything of that sort. She is going to put together her chair. That is what she's doing.
I really wish I had my razor blade.
And later, I'm going to make some cookies.
Don't do this at home.
I almost forgot to charge the radio.
But you're doing it at home.
I'm telling them not to. Oh, it's so fucking cold. It's like an iceberg in here. Go ahead. This is what sunk the Titanic.
I don't think so.
It's like a cold breeze coming out of this. Oh! Oh, child.
Cake was disturbed. Oh, it's pink. It's a pink office chair.
I don't know how to build an office chair.
I certainly don't.
Well, I'm guessing this is the bottom.
That certainly looks like the bottom.
All I've built in my life is desks. Never a chair. Never in my life have I thought I would build a chair.
It's very pink.
Because I usually get hand-me-downs. Pick, at least let me grab the rest of it.
He's like, new box. Daddy took away one box. But now there's a new box. Right, Pan Pan?
You know, you saw that there's a yellow garbage bag here that doesn't fit in the regular garbage can.
Cool.
They only had the purple ones. And they didn't have any purple ones. They only had the yellow ones. So John couldn't get any.
Any trash you gotta throw out? It's on the doorknob, not in the trash can.
Oh, I use the small ones for my trash.
Well, we prefer the big purple ones. Here in where we live, they have pay-as-you-throw bags, and
Can be really, really annoying.
they have purple ones and yellow ones. Purple ones are the big ones. And garbage is only collected every 2 weeks. So
I need a better system than what they give us.
I agree. Like, the pay-as-you-throw thing doesn't bother me, but
Basically, almost every cat but Pancake.
Alright, I'm letting them out.
Okay.
but now I forgot what I was saying. Oh well.
You're just gonna watch me build with a chair.
No, not the whole time. In fact, I'm gonna stop right now. This is Wendy. This is Wendy decorating my tree because I'm not able to really do it myself this year. So she's decorating for me. Yay, Wendy.
Yay.
And she thinks my snowmen are creepy.
They're creepy!
Look at all the snowmen.
Snowman.
And those are the snowmen that just sing and never stop. They are not motion censored, so nobody wants to put those up. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to end up giving them away, which is what happened. Somebody gave them to me. It was a trick. Trick.
They just wanted them out of their house.
There's croissant. So, here we go. With Christmas decorations. I'll show you the finished product. And then we can all, like, make fun of Wendy.
Hey. I'm good at decorating.
Okay. I don't see why you wouldn't be.
Yeah.
I've just never seen you really decorate,
I
so.
know, yeah. But I can. I'm capable of it. I just don't feel like it, usually. We still haven't put Christmas lights around the house. We were going to, and I still haven't done it. And now it's already, like, halfway through the month. And it's like, is it really worth it? Because then I'm going to have to take them down again.
John put up a lot of lights in front of our house,
Yeah.
so you should come by when it's dark. And then you can see them. And tell him how nice they are. So that he can feel proud about it.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. So yeah, we'll come back when it's all finished. So this is the finished tree. My little tree topper. I'm going to get closer to that tree topper later. My stockings are sitting there. I've got several stockings I'm going to be giving out this year. Yeah. The kisses are way behind here, though. Nobody can get to them back there. I need to move them up front. Oh, and now Alex is here. A bunch of people are here right now. Okay, so this is my bowl I'm starting off with, because I'm going to make these Heath cookies, which involve getting these Heath milk chocolate English toffee bits to put in your cookies. So it's basically like chocolate chip cookies, except I'm adding Heath, half Heath bits and half chocolate chips. So, and here we go. So we got a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of shortening, and we're going to cream that together with some brown sugar and some regular sugar. And, sorry, just looking for a minute. And baking soda. So that was 1 cup of brown sugar packed, half a cup of white sugar, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda added to the butter and shortening. And now we have to add the eggs and vanilla, and that is 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I like to use Mexican vanilla extract. This came from Penzies, but you can get good extracts from other companies as well. So next we're adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so that's how the dough looks, and then we're going to put it on a baking sheet and bake at 375 for 8 minutes. And these are the finished product. Yummy cookies.